Picture yourself in the 2020 Hyundai Kona. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Infuse every drive with a fresh sense of fun in this spirited and tech-savvy Kona. You'll love its easy-to-use infotainment system, comfortable cabin, and versatile crossover capabilities, as well as the confidence that comes standard thanks to its suite of advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Don't miss the chance to drive a fresh sense of fun into your daily commute. Get into this agile and connected Kona. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.